Welcome back to Lon's Rods, working on the Ram 1500 Milkshake. For those exhaust manifold, what you have is they usually rod out that holds it to the exhaust manifold. So yeah, what I do is I'll take hose clamps. They're inch and 5/16 to 2 9/32, and I'll put one around each side of the pipe. Then I get the fixa flange that folds open and folds closed, and then I go with 2 new bolts with lock nuts and washers, and that usually takes care of exhaust manifold high noise. Thanks. Like and subscribe to Lon's Rods. Have a good one.